construction is so difficult? Because you said that you wouldn't do it again. Why is that?
So first of all, by and largely, anybody that first starts out in construction probably did not want to start. Normally, it's not going to be your guy that was the valedictorian that's wanting to put on a tool belt and go work in the sun all day. It's the perception that I feel like the American male has, you know what I'm saying? Now, at the same time, those guys are building the country, they're heroes, but it's hard for their perception to be there. And that's why I try to speak up for them so much and tell them how important they are and how much this world does not go around. Because we can't even do this podcast without men that work with their hands. Everything in this room